Hello.
Hello.
Anyway, today we're doing chili and macaroni.
I feel like chili and macaroni is my favorite.
So far, beef ravioli and beans and chili are my favorite.
No, keep going. What were you saying? Oh, okay. There we go.
Alright. I'm scared because I think it's like, yep. Oh?
Nope, chocolate chip cookie.
That's good. Chili and macaroni, obviously. We have a chocolate chip cookie. That's great. Salted peanuts again, which is boring because we've had this already. This one is tropical punch, tortilla chipotle tortillas. So the first thing we're gonna do is open these peanuts because they're peanuts and we've had them before. So,
MRE heater.
yeah.
Okay, it's rather weird. They stay very well. That would mess up the drink potentially. Will you stop? Here is this.
Alright.
It's like a crunchy Chips Ahoy, actually.
Waffle, no.
Ooh, yeah. Oh, it's gonna cook it nice and fast.
Look! Ooh, you wanna go? Yeah, it tastes like fake wine.
So you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Interesting. Yeah, I hate it. Even longer. How many do we have?
2.
Time to try some chili mac. It's chili and macaroni, in case you couldn't tell.
Not the best thing. You guys lied to me. It's not as good as the beef ravioli.
Okay.
I'd say it's there with the chili and beans. But it's not like the best thing ever.
For efficiency purposes, you have your carbs that you can put this in.
It's good enough for me to finish, if that makes sense. Too much meat. The combination, but macaroni and red sauce.
Oh, wow. That's kind of depressing. This is actually really good. This is as good as I remember.
It's really bland.
This is the only few that I can actually taste seasoning on.
No, it's really bland. Like spicy, no.
Pepper. No. At least top 3. I'll have to refresh my memory on a few MREs to really know for sure.
That's it. We're finished. I don't know when the next MRE video will be.